Hello, this is Mike Greenlee, broker for Old Fences Realty. And boy, do we have a fantastic house for you today. This home is located near Parkersburg. It has a beautiful interior, as you see, lots of countertop space, lots of room in the kitchen, opens up to the family room with a real fireplace. That right there is a Florida room that overlooks the whole farm. I mean, it is a wonderful spot. This is right beside of the Florida room. Big, huge rooms throughout the whole house. Lots of room in the bathrooms, big shower, big walk-in shower. This is the master bedroom. Got an office here for your convenience if you like to work from home. Huge, huge basement. You can do whatever you want down there. There's lots of space for family rooms or whatever. Nice two-car garage. It has heat in there. And of course, this is the farm. Oh my goodness. You're like 5 minutes from the town of Parkersburg. City utilities. So the barn has a concrete floor in it, so it could be used as a stable or lots of multi-purpose things to do right there. There's Angus cattle on the farm. There's 11 head of them, and they would sell the cattle with the farm too. If you wanted to go ahead and buy their cattle, that would be fine too. All the land is pretty well open. Lots of wildlife there in the area. And of course, being close to town, if you need to rent out for a little something, you can get it for the farm. The open fields there has all been run for cattle here recently. But sections of the farm was used for hay production if you wanted to go ahead and run into some hay. So there's already an area that's all leveled out for a feeding pad if you want to get into that type of cattle production. So that's another big choice for us. If you have any questions, by all means, just give us a call. I'm Mike Greenlee, 304-377-3758. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. People who subscribe to the channel get the first choice at the listings. They get to see it before it goes on to Realtor.com or to Zillow or places like that. So hit the subscribe button. Then a little cartoon bell will appear. You want to click on that cartoon bell. And then the word all. And then that will get you all signed up and you'll get a little head start. Thank you so much for watching our video. And again, have a wonderful day.